Okay, we have a word problem here. A surveyor has measured the lengths of the sides of a triangular plot of land as 180 feet, 200 feet, and 240 feet. And right here they give us a figure with these numbers already in it. And we're finding the area of the plot. In effect, how many squares fit inside, how many tiles it would take to tile the floor. And they tell us, one, that we can use a calculator, and two, to use Huron's formula and to see example 8. So let's take a look at that. This is found on page 683 in your textbook. And you can read all of it, but I'm going to sort of shorten it down. They give us two formulas here, actually. Huron's formula, which is found right here, utilizes this S, which is this semi-perimeter, found here. So first, we need to find the semi-perimeter using this formula. And then, after we do that, we will use it to find the area using this formula. So let's go ahead and do that. And I've just reproduced right here the numbers that we need, along with the formulas. So right now, we're finding the semi-perimeter. So S equals 1/2 of A. And does it really matter which one's which? No, it doesn't. We could call this A, and this B, and this C, but it really doesn't matter which side is which. We're going to add them all together. So 180 plus 240 plus 200. Okay, so now, as they told us we can use a calculator, let's go ahead and do it. So we've got 180 and it's sort of plus 240 plus 200 equals, and that gives me 620. And then I need to divide that by 2 or multiply it by 1/2. Multiplying by 1/2 is the same thing as dividing by 2. So I am now going to, and I'm having a little trouble seeing this in the light. That must be division. Divided by 2 equals, and that gives me 310. So S, my semi-perimeter, equals 310. And let's go ahead and copy this over to the next page now. So S equals 310. And now I get to plug this into Huron's formula. So now I have my area, and let's change colors here, equals square root of, and I've got 310 times 310 minus 180 times 310 minus 240 times 310 minus 200. And let's see if I can close my parentheses here. It doesn't really like that. And now I'll bring my square root all the way across. Okay. So now, again, as we can use a calculator, why not? And I'm going to move it up here where it's not in the way, hopefully. So now we have area equals the square root of 310 times, and let's go ahead and simplify these. So 310 minus 180 equals 130. And then .310 minus 240 equals 70. And we've got one more here. 310 minus 240 equals, whoops, I already did that. Oh, it's sorry, wrong one. 310 minus 200 gives me 110. And I'm finding the square root of this whole thing. Okay. I'm going to get a pretty good sized number here. So let's go ahead and try this. So we have 310 times 130 times 70 times 110 equals, and now I need to find the square root right there. And there's my square root. And let's take a look at the problem here. Does it say what to round to? Round to the nearest whole number. Okay, so our nearest whole number for area equals, bring my calculator back up here, 17,615. 5. And as this was measured in feet, my area are going to be in square feet. And I'll go ahead and put the comma in. And my question asks me just to find the area of the plot, which I have done.